Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a nail tutorial on how to recolor apres nails. So I've had this set on for about a week and I usually get tired after a week, so I'm going to be changing them. I kind of want to do like a blue glittery sparkly look, and then underneath I want it to be gold. So let's see how that goes. Let's go ahead and get started. For the rest of this video it's going to be a voiceover. So yeah, okay, so here are my nails currently. I'm going to start by grabbing my drill, and we're just going to take off the nail polish and then we're going to shape them right after. So the bit that I'm using today is my safety bit, which looks like this, and I purchased this from Modelones or Maricat, I think. Yeah. So I'm just going to use this to remove the polish and then we can start. I like using the safety bit just because I'm not like super professional yet, so yeah, it just saves my skin for now while I'm still learning. So I'm gonna put it on medium high. I'm gonna turn on my fan and I'll just voice over anything after this because it's a little bit loud. Okay, so now they're all clean. As I mentioned, I only had this set for about a week, so I'm just gonna do some light cleanup. I'm going to remove anything that might be lifting or anything like that. I'm gonna grab my cuticle pusher. Oh, the lighting's bad. I'm gonna grab my cuticle pusher. I'm gonna push back my cuticles before. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my drill. I'm using a 180. So if there's any like significant lifting that I can't get up, I'm just going to kind of cut off and then smooth down. Okay, so if I need to clean up my cuticles or anything, I'll do that right now. Also, mine haven't really grown back yet, but... Okay, last thing, I'm gonna go in with a different drill bit. I'm gonna go in with a diamond bit so I can clean around the cuticles. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is a pointed one. Looks like this.
We're going to set up our Lego Action Contraction, our biggest recolor machine ever. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so now we can go into shaping now that they're all clean. Really quickly, I'm going to do stiletto nails. So I'm just going to clip off the edges.
Okay, yesterday we had someone make a Granny's house set in the kitchen. Sean checked it out.
Okay, this is what we have. I'm gonna go in with the file and make them sharp.
We now interrupt our behind-the-scenes video while we attempt to rescue a frog. Called the artist who did the granny's house, and he says it's water-based. And we need something that we can put the frog in.
You can use one of my blueberry pie things.
Thank you, Granny.
I'm gonna clean them off again, and then we're gonna add a base coat, and then we are going to add a builder. This is just gonna make them thicker. Because they are APRES, they are pretty thin already, so once we filed them, they became a lot more thin. So we're just gonna bring some of the strength back into them and make them a little bit thicker.
Maybe we can throw it at him. Hey, I got me.
So now for the tricky part, we're gonna add the builder. So this is just gonna add some strength. I wanna focus it in the cuticle area as well as the apex. So you wanna make sure you have a nice little curve there. This will ensure that your nails don't break. So I'm just gonna do really close to the cuticle. Drag it down. And then I'm just gonna grab a ball.
Don't go in Lex's bathroom. Let's just leave.
Drag it down. So, like that. Just to get everything to balance, I'm gonna hold it upside down, and then we're gonna cure. So I'm just gonna clean it off, get all the tacky residue off. So you guys can see the difference in the thickness, kind of, sort of, but yes, they're looking a lot better. So I'm just going to get a buffing block and just kind of smooth these out, and then I'm gonna do the other side and I will be right back. So I'm going in with this Cuticle color. This is a really dark navy midnight blue. I'm just going to apply this to all my nails. I'm going to be going in with 2 coats and curing for 60 seconds, and then the second time I cure for 2 minutes. So for the final top coat, I'm going in with a regular top coat as well as my holographic blue glitter. I'm just going to mix it like this, and then we are going to apply it to all the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to apply the foil underneath, and I'm using a gold foil. I'm just going to grab my foil glue and apply it underneath all my nails. Once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my foil and press it into the nail and kind of rub it in with this silicone brush, I guess it's called. Then I'm just going to pull it off and it's done. Last, I'm going in with the top coat again, and I'm going to just kind of seal in the foil, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and that's it. So that is the end of this tutorial or video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to do more videos like this. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like and leave a comment.